And that's the reason why I like working for Liebherr. A lot of people can say, oh, we help people do this, we help people do that. But for our side of things, we actually get to sit down with the technicians every single day and show them, teach them new concepts, new ideas to help them do their jobs in the field and support Liebherr equipment. So shaping the future, that's what we're about here at the training department.
I have the luxury of reviewing all the financial data and providing our directors with the best pathway to move forward.
What we're doing is getting the employees ready for the future. So whether that's providing growth opportunities and different initiatives like job rotation programs, and really thinking about how can we get our employees ready for the Liebherr that will exist in 10 years, 20 years, 50 years. So really thinking ahead and really keeping our customers, our employees in mind.
Innovative systems, innovative technologies we bring to the table that allow all of our employees at Liebherr to just do great things, build great products, build great cranes, provide great crane support and service and whatnot. And so that's, I think, where we fit in.